Maybe this is the first time you are live in our website, this international website. You are welcome. Thank you so much for your time. You are going to gain massively in this website. Make sure that you click the square by the right, square below this video by the right, and this video will cover your screen, and you're going to enjoy the old money making secret. Jeremiah is my name, founder of this international project, World Internet Billionaire. What do I mean by World Internet Billionaire? When you are looking for the most trending businesses on the internet today, how you can participate in any of those top trending business like affiliate marketing, like Facebook advertising, like copywriting, like Amazon KDP, like digital course sales, like how to sell anything on the internet. Let's say how to make money entirely. This is the website that you need. So that we are going big in World Internet Billionaire. You are going to gain access to my over a decade of experience and internet billionaire secrets, internet billionaire money making secrets entirely, because this is a over 8 years project indeed. So, but in this episode, I'm going to show only one thing because we need to round off in 2 minutes maximum. So immediately you sign up in our website, this is where you're going to learn. We have video room, audio room, children room, where you can access videos and so many things. We have referral program or affiliate program. We call them our angels. So when you join this website, you automatically become the owner and you're going to be one of our angel by helping us spread this website globally. Anyone register under you, you receive 50% of compensation. Then we use the remaining money to spread this growth project globally, because we used to spend millions upon millions monthly, weekly, promoting this website globally. The purpose is to impact humanity. Please, we are not Ponzi or pyramid. I hate Ponzi or pyramid scheme. So quickly, let me take you to one of the rooms, which is a solution room. This is where I'm going. Don't forget that so far you have been hearing the voice of OS Jeremiah, founder of this international project, www.worldinternetbillionaires.com. So this is a solution room where you're going to gain access to the wisdom, the knowledge, the top money making secrets from my over a decade of experience from top entrepreneurs in the entire world. I'm talking about billionaire entrepreneur and the entire money making secrets from the top best selling books, the best sellers. So where I'm going. If you are selling on the internet, look at this topic: 12 lessons I learned from Akin Alabi about his $5,000 per ticket seminar, the most expensive seminar in Nigerian history in 2018. Let me read the description. The legend entrepreneur Otoba Akin Alabi organized the most expensive seminar in the history of Nigeria in 2018. Here are the prosperity secrets I learned. So by click read, you are going to gain access to everything in this website and a whole lot of things in this website, a lot of money making secrets in this website. So I can't show you everything. That is why I choose just only one. So in this title alone, you're going to gain access to how I can be in a country that is suffering from serious recession. Akin Alabi did seminar and people paid, each participant paid nearly 2 million Nigerian naira or $5,000 then to participate in the seminar. And the entire seats, the entire seminar slot sold off very quickly. So the entire secret of how you can achieve the same are already inside here. So you can now see that you have opportunity to 10x your life minimum this year through this way. So what do you need to do now? Please click follow below and follow me. Set the highest notification and follow me immediately. Let me hear your voice in the comment, please. You can ask any question. Then remember to share this video. And lastly, click the description below now and you are going to see the link. Click that link and follow up immediately and you are going to benefit the gift, a tangible gift for watching this video. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for your time. Watch out for another power pack episode in the next few hours in this Day. Thank you.